Hi, it's Nick Drew. Well, I'm back up here at Maltby at the Ritchie Bros auction site, and we're going to be having a look around at some of the machines and some of the kit that's going to be in next week's auction. That's on the 15th and 16th of July. And for the first instalment, I'm right up here in the wash bay having a look at this awesome looking Cat 352F. This machine is a 2017 model, and if you come this way, up there in the cab it's saying 4,053 hours. It's all auto lube, and it's fitted with the Miller twin lock coupler, as we can see there. Just found this Volvo BL71 backhoe loader. A lot of the people on the Diggerman blog have raved about this machine in the past. Obviously they got discontinued from the Volvo range, but there are still some examples kicking around, and here's another one. So here's one for all the old classic fans again. It's the Case Poclane 61, which was the upgraded model from the old 60 model, which was the red and grey, more familiar Poclane colours. But essentially the same machine, different colour scheme in the case. Well, hi, here's some for the JCB fans out there. I've spotted a couple of these JS131 LC Plus diggers. They're 2018, and they've come from EMG Construction Limited, who I believe are based in Gloucestershire. So for the fans of the orange, we've got all these Hitachi 85 USB excavators, which are lined up here. There's a vast array of them. Obviously we know Hitachi, very popular machine, and these are in excellent condition. Going to be a great buy for somebody. So this is a first for me. Here we are in the auction, and there's a machine here, the Hitachi 135 US, and it's fitted with an Encon tilt rotator. So here's one for all you demolition guys out there. Demolition, the clue's in the counterweight. It's a Volvo EC290B LC, and it's full demo spec with the ROPS and FOPS protection. So we recently had a guy, I can't remember his name now, but he was on the Diggerman blog, and he was posting, anyone know where there's any Doosan ducks for sale? Well, look what I've found. The DX140W, and it's right here at the Ritchie Bros auction in Maltby. So if you're in the market for a larger medium-sized wheel loader, here we've got the Komatsu WA380, really tidy looking machine. Well, as we all know, dozers are in high demand at the moment, and I've found a cracking unit here. It's the Cat D6N LGP. This one has got grade control, and it's a 2016 model, and it's got just over 8,000 hours. So yeah, nice one. So one of the nice things about the Ritchie Bros auction is you can come onto the site and you can try out the machines before you buy them. So I've just jumped in this Komatsu PW180 rubber duck, and it's fitted with the GKD height and slew restriction system. So all ready to go. So if agricultural stuff and tractors in particular is your bag, then there's plenty of those for sale at the Ritchie Bros auctions, including this Valtra T183, tidy in the blue. Nice machine. So here we are, I'm finishing off my little flying tour of the auction ground with this monster. Now, can anyone guess what it is?